Curious about which cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024? Today, we'll take a deep dive into the world of digital currencies. This year, the crypto landscape is teeming with innovation, making it an exciting time for investors. Several cryptocurrencies have risen to prominence, each with their unique features. For instance, we've got coins that focus on privacy, offering users the ability to make transactions without leaving a digital footprint. Then there are cryptocurrencies that aim at revolutionizing industries, from finance to supply chain management, using blockchain technology. We're also witnessing the rise of eco-friendly cryptocurrencies, which are designed to minimize the environmental impact of mining. And let's not forget the ongoing advancements in the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, which is reshaping how we interact with our finances. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, with new coins and technologies popping up regularly. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into some specific cryptocurrencies and their potential for investment. Now, onto the main event, comparing different cryptocurrencies. In the bustling world of crypto, we have a myriad of options, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. On one hand, we have established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, often seen as the blue chip of the crypto world. They offer stability and a large user base, making them a safer bet, but with potentially slower growth. On the other hand, we have emerging cryptocurrencies, the young guns of the crypto world. They're riskier, yes, but they also hold the promise of exponential growth. Think of them as the tech startups of the crypto universe. However, let's not forget, investing in cryptocurrencies is not without risk. Market volatility is a given and prices can swing wildly. So, before making any decisions, do your own research. Understand the technology, the team behind the coin, and the problem it aims to solve. With so many cryptocurrencies out there, it can be tough to decide where to put your money. But don't worry, we're here to help. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered today. We started by exploring the current crypto landscape, highlighting the bullish trend in 2024, and the surge of new cryptocurrencies vying for attention. We then compared different cryptocurrencies, focusing on their unique selling points, their security measures, and their overall market performance. Notably, we delved into the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few promising altcoins, each with its own set of advantages and challenges. We also stressed the importance of considering multiple factors before investing, like market volatility, the project's use case, and the team behind it. Remember, while crypto can offer significant returns, it's not without risks. It's essential to do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and only invest what you can afford to lose. There you have it, a quick guide to investing in cryptocurrencies in 2024. Remember, the crypto world is always changing, so stay informed and invest wisely.